In 2016, the European Union passed a data privacy law called the General Data Protection Regulation, or the GDPR. The law regulates how companies and nonprofits handle personal information from people in Europe. The GDPR is very broad. It applies to every company or nonprofit that has a location in Europe, handles personal information from Europe, or offers goods or services in Europe, including over the internet. To comply with the GDPR, an organization needs a complicated set of compliance documents, policies, procedures, and over 20 proof of compliance documents. Some of these documents are incredibly complex. It can take an attorney months and hundreds of thousands of dollars to generate the needed documentation. In fact, a survey by PricewaterhouseCoopers found that 77% of businesses expect to spend over $1 million on compliance. The consequences for not complying are substantial. Penalties can reach $24 million or 4% of revenue, whichever is higher. It has the potential to put companies and nonprofits out of business. And here's the scariest part. The law goes into effect May 25th, 2018. With the deadline fast approaching, we became concerned that businesses could not afford to comply, and even if they could, would not be able to comply in time. So we developed an automated software to help organizations generate the compliance documents they need quickly and affordably. The product is called GDPR IQ. All you do is answer questions about your organization and how it handles personal information. Our software takes your answers and produces customized compliance documents. It takes a fraction of the time for a fraction of the cost. GDPR experts at the law firm Parsons, Bailey & Latimer created the compliance documents we use. To ensure these documents would meet European standards, we hired a GDPR law firm in Europe to review them. The result is top-tier compliance documents. Don't risk your business by not complying, and don't overpay for the documents you need. Let GDPR IQ give you the peace of mind you want at a price you can afford.